Hey, good morning. Here with Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We're here in Grand Bend, Ontario. We're doing a job for a client of ours. They're a wonderful client. We're happy they let us do the job. So here it is. We are on a new build, beautiful lakefront property. So this is going to be a Duradek. This is an excellent opportunity to install the Duradek system. It's a walkout from the master bedroom into a balcony overlooking the beautiful scenery. So what we have tongue and groove plywood, and we are going to put a cementous mixture over the seams so it doesn't transfer when we put the single ply membrane. We have a drip flashing to put on the outside. We have a wall detail and a door detail you're looking through, and some wall details. We'll show you what it looks like when we get back. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. We finished doing a lot of the prep work. We put the cementous mixture over the seams. Now when we lay the Duradek, there's no transparency. You don't see the edges of the plywood. We also installed a PVC coated drip edge. So we are going to weld the Duradek right on this drip edge, so now water can't travel back under our roof system. We also, just for cleaning, just to making sure it's a nice clean job, we chalk line the edges, so now our transition piece has a nice smooth line, and whatever wall facade the contractor goes with can tie into that nicely. So there we go. We are set up. We are going to clean and broom the plywood and start gluing it. Sure it looks like. Okay, welcome back. The job turned out wonderful. We're finished. We got the membrane onto the deck. Now this is gonna be a beautiful area for the homeowner just to come and sit outside. You don't have to install a wood deck with this type of system, so that's one of the major benefits. You put the membrane down, you can walk on it. 12 months of the year, it's good to go. Go ahead, take a look. We had a door threshold here, so really you want to get the membrane up and as far into the home as you can, because you're trying to waterproof this door threshold. You got a lot of driving wind. In the middle of the winter, you're gonna have snow build up here, so this has to be well done. We have the PVC drip edge on the outside, and that gets welded to the membrane, so it's tucked in nice. And away we go. We went up high enough on our walls, so whatever facade the client goes with, this is well waterproof. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.